Hey everyone, my name is Alex Ryan. Welcome back to Import-Export Coaching, and today's video we're going to be looking at Amazon. So if you're looking to start an Amazon business, maybe you've been thinking about it for a while, maybe you're sort of unsure about what products to sell on Amazon, or where to source, or even how to source these products from China. If those are some big unknowns from you, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Welcome back everyone, my name is Alex Ryan, and author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. But today's strategies don't really have much relevance with importing from China. It's more about how to find out whether or not it's even worthwhile starting an Amazon business. So maybe you've sort of been thinking about starting an Amazon business for a while and you just haven't got started because you're not too sure what to sell. Okay, so maybe that's your challenge right now. That's your sticking point. You're not too sure what to sell, what products to actually leverage and sell on sites like Amazon. So the first thing is you want to find out who your competitors are. Okay, you actually want to find out who's in the marketplace right now selling something similar to what you're selling. And there's a couple of things you can do. You can search by keywords. That's a really good strategy to do it. Type in the keywords, type in the products, find out what is being selling. Who are your biggest competitors? And if it's mostly sort of brand name products, then you might have a lot of, if there's a lot of competition there and a lot of them selling brand name products, the products that are sort of well known, then you're up against them, then the only way you're really going to be competing is on price, which is something you don't really want to do. The second thing is you want to find out the reviews. So you look at what the reviews are. What are people saying? What is the biggest problem or challenge the customers are having once they purchase this product? Because sometimes people buy products and they'll give really valuable feedback in the reviews, in the 1 star or 5 stars. Look at specifically the 1 stars and see what their major gripes are about. Because from that, you can sort of go to China and say, hey guys, well, we have this brand new product, and the people that buy this product, the biggest 5 problems, the reason why they hate this product is because of this. Can we import this product but make these changes and fix these problems up? All right. So it's a really smart little tricky thing you can do. So you can look at your competitors, find out what they're selling and what your customers are reviewing. Look at the 1-star reviews and find out what their biggest gripes are about the product and see if you can make a better product. Okay. Look at the competitors, how they're advertising. Look at their listings. Are they good? Are they using really high quality images? Are they using good, compelling copy? And when I say copy, I mean sales copy, as in the description, the title. Are they using good keywords in there? Are they using descriptive keywords that sell the benefits and not the features? And there's a big difference between selling the benefits, not the features. Whenever you're trying to sell a product, you want to sell the benefits, not the features. So for an example, a washing machine, if you're trying to sell a washing machine on Amazon, big mistake by the way, don't get into that niche. You wouldn't say, okay, so how a bad copywriter would write this would be a washing machine, diameter 50 inches, length is 1 meter, you have width of this, weight is 80 kilos, has 4 spin cycles, it has 2 wash compartments, it has so on and so forth, right? Boring, mundane stuff. But what you want to do instead is sell the benefits. What do they get actually by purchasing that product? All right, so it could be 35-minute cycle, which means you get your clothes out faster and cleaner and fresher than ever before. It has a drying function, so go off to the shops or have a margarita sitting on your balcony while your clothes get washed and dried within a 1-hour cycle. It could mean free shipping. If you spend over $1,000 with our store, you get free shipping, right? What else could you put in there? Uses 45% less washing detergent than most other machines, right? So what you want to do, again, sell the benefits, not the features, all right? So that's a really interesting, a common mistake, I think, that most people who write their Amazon listings, they commonly make this mistake, okay? And then find out what are the numbers in terms of your competitors selling their products. Are they selling a lot, or are they just selling 1 or 2? look how many reviews they've got and look at how many they've actually sold. If you can find that out, that would be good, because you want to find out whether or not it's actually popular enough for you to get into this market. And lastly, you don't want to be competing on price. If you're looking at a product and it's very popular and a lot of people, other people are selling it, and the only way you to compete is lowering your price, you don't want to get into that, because shipping fees, Amazon fees, they're constantly going up, and you really don't want to get into a niche where you're already at a competitive disadvantage and you're competing with the likes of other people who have got probably better margins or probably paying a lot less in shipping. So guys, take those points home. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to find out more or get a free video series on how to import from China and how to start your Amazon business, head over to my website, importexportcoaching.com. My name is Alex Ryan. I've been teaching people how to import from China for over 10 years now. I go to the Canton Fair, I go to the Yiwu Fair. I'm heading to Shanghai in December, and I'm meeting a whole bunch of clients over there as well, so it should be really fun. If you want to join us, if you actually want to come to China and join us and learn how to import from China, but also how to sell your products, so how to actually list your products, how to get your own e-commerce website, how to sell on eBay, how to sell on Amazon, and how to beat your competitors, then definitely head over to my website, grab my free video series. I also got a free webinar there as well. Enough from me. Have an awesome day. Happy importing, and talk to you real soon. See you later.